All right, it was just our luck. We actually got a hypoallergenic dog because of my son and his allergies, and our hypoallergenic dog has allergies. But that's where things like this come in and are our favorites. This is by HICC Pet. They have made a plant-based pet wipe, which essentially they're just big wipies that are plant-based with natural ingredients to help any of your pets that might be sensitive to other ingredients. And so I love these. Now, I love these because they are unscented. Now, it is made with like a coconut oil, but there is no scent on this. Let me be very clear. It doesn't smell like a coconut or a tropical or anything like that. It's unscented, but it's got like coconut oil in it, vitamin E, aloe, chamomile, hyaluronic acid, just simple ingredients that should not affect your pet, and they will be very, very gentle on them. I absolutely love these wipes so much. Use them for myself too, let's just be honest, but they are designed for your furry little creature friends who might be sensitive to some things. So if you're looking for a good wipe, maybe to help clean up their paws when they're coming in out of the grass after you've mowed it, because they're gonna have a reaction, just check these out. Again, I think you're gonna love them.